I bought and tested these dog poop disposal systems so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As a dog owner, I know how vital it is to handle waste efficiently. These products can make your life easier, but let me share my honest experiences with each of them. Product number 1. Sarawelda Small Trash Can. I recently purchased the Sarawelda Small Trash Can, and let me tell you, this little gem has transformed the way I dispose of my dog's waste. It's a sleek, stainless steel design that fits perfectly in my outdoor space without looking out of place. The 5-liter capacity is just right for my medium-sized dog, and the step pedal feature means no bending over, which is fantastic for my back. Plus, the soft close lid is a game changer. It keeps things quiet and prevents any startling noise that could scare my pup. Now on to the pros and cons. On the plus side, the design is stylish and the step pedal is super convenient. The stainless steel is not only durable but also easy to clean, which is crucial for keeping things hygienic. However, the downside is that it may be a bit small if you have multiple dogs or larger breeds. The lid could also be more secure to fully contain odors. So why should you buy this can? If you're looking for a functional yet aesthetically pleasing way to manage dog waste, the Sarawelda Small Trash Can is a solid option. It's practical, easy to use, and doesn't take up much space. I can see myself using it for years to come. Product number 2. Toozy Unbreakable Dog Pooper Scooper. Let me tell you about the Toozy Unbreakable Dog Pooper Scooper. This is not just any scooper. It's designed with an extra large stainless steel tray that measures 10.4 by 9.3 inches. I was amazed at how much waste I could collect in one go, reducing my trips to the trash can significantly. The 43.31-inch long handle means I don't have to bend over, which is a blessing for my back, especially after a long day. The ergonomic design really shines here. I can easily scoop up waste without straining myself, and the innovative bag holder system helps keep my hands clean during disposal. The quick release mechanism is a lifesaver. I can change bags in less than 3 seconds, which is crucial when you're in a hurry. Pros? It's durable, easy to use, and versatile for various surfaces, making it ideal not just for dog poop, but also for yard debris. The only con is that the size might be a bit cumbersome for smaller spaces. If you have multiple dogs or just want to simplify your cleanup routine, I highly recommend the Toozy Scooper. It's built to last and takes the hassle out of waste disposal. Product number 3. Dog Poop Trash Can Outside. I picked up the dog poop trash can outside and it has been a breath of fresh air. This can features an odor control lid and a step pedal, which makes it super convenient to use. The 3.2-gallon capacity is perfect for outdoor use, and it comes with 3 carbon filters that really help manage odors, especially in the summer months. The waterproof design means I can leave it outside without worrying about the elements damaging it. The step pedal is easy to operate, allowing quick access when I need to dispose of waste. On the flip side, while the can does a great job of containing odors, I found it a bit bulky for smaller patios or yards. Plus, the lid could be more secure to prevent any curious raccoons from getting in. So, why should you consider this trash can? If you want a reliable, odor-controlling solution that's easy to use, this dog poop trash can is a fantastic choice. It's designed specifically for dog owners, and the added features really make a difference in keeping your outdoor area clean. Product number 4, Doggy Dooley 3116 Waste Terminator. Now let's talk about the Doggy Dooley 3116 Waste Terminator. This product is a game changer for anyone using a dog waste disposal system. I was skeptical at first, but this concentrated formula really does break down waste and control odors effectively. It uses harmless, non-toxic enzymes and bacteria, making it safe for pets and the environment, which is a big plus for me. The 360-gram container lasts me about a year, and the ease of use is fantastic. I just sprinkle it in my Doggy Dooley system and it gets to work. What I love is that I no longer have to deal with foul smells lingering in my yard. The only downside is that it's specifically for the Doggy Dooley system, so if you don't have one, it won't be much use. However, if you're already invested in that disposal system, this waste terminator is a must-have. It's effective, safe, and ensures that waste is broken down efficiently, keeping your yard fresh and clean.
Product number 5, Doggy Dooley Waste Tablets. I want to share my experience with the Doggy Dooley 36 Waste Tablets. These little tablets are designed for use in the Doggy Dooley Pet Waste Disposal System. 1 tablet per dog each week is all you need, and when mixed with water, it works wonders to break down dog waste from solid to liquid. I found them incredibly convenient. You just drop one in and you're set for the week. The only con is that it requires a consistent schedule to be effective, which some busy pet owners might struggle with. But if you can remember to use them, they make a significant difference in maintaining a clean disposal system. If you're using the Doggy Dooley, I highly recommend incorporating these tablets into your routine. They're easy to use and help keep your yard odor-free while ensuring waste is broken down properly.
In conclusion, each of these dog poop disposal systems offers unique benefits tailored for different needs. Whether you're looking for a stylish trash can, an efficient scooper, or a waste breakdown solution, there's something here for everyone. I hope this review helps you make an informed choice. Happy cleaning!